Greetings, and welcome to the About My Brain Institute podcast, exploring the inspiring realm of the spirit animals oracle cards. In this episode, join us as we delve into the fascinating world of the Manatee Spirit animal, renowned for tranquility, healing, and inner peace. Part 1. Discovering the Manatee Spirit. The manatee, with its gentle and calm demeanor, embodies a profound spiritual energy that resonates with tranquility, healing, and emotional well-being. Its presence brings a sense of serenity to our lives, reminding us of the importance of embracing rest and self-care in a fast-paced world. The manatee's medicine serves as a gentle guide, encouraging us to slow down, release stress, and find inner peace by reconnecting with our emotions and nurturing our inner selves. As we observe the graceful movements of the manatee in the tranquil waters, we are reminded of the beauty of simplicity and the power of stillness. Its spiritual energy envelops us in a sense of calm, inviting us to step away from the chaotic rush of everyday life and embrace the serenity that comes from being present in the moment. In the midst of life's storms, the manatee's presence becomes a soothing balm for our weary souls, offering a refuge of tranquility and peace. Connecting with the manatee's medicine leads us to a deeper understanding of our emotions and inner selves. By immersing ourselves in the stillness and tranquility it embodies, we gain clarity and insight into our feelings and thoughts. The manatee's presence encourages us to embrace vulnerability, exploring the depths of our emotions with gentle compassion and acceptance. In the busy currents of modern living, the manatee's spiritual energy serves as a compass, guiding us back to a place of inner peace and harmony. It reminds us to cherish the moments of quiet contemplation and to find solace in our own company. By slowing down and embracing the serenity it embodies, we discover the profound power of stillness and the transformational gift of inner peace. Part 2. Qualities of the Manatee Spirit. The manatee, also known as the gentle giant of the sea, possesses a remarkable set of qualities that make it an extraordinary marine creature. Renowned for their docile nature, manatees exude a sense of tranquility and harmony, gliding gracefully through the waters with an air of serenity. Their endearing appearance, with their plump bodies and distinctively rounded faces, instantly captures the hearts of onlookers. Beneath their blubbery exterior lies a robust frame that can reach impressive sizes, yet their movements remain surprisingly agile and graceful. Manatees are notably social beings, often forming close-knit bonds with fellow members of their species, fostering a strong sense of community. Their gentle and non-threatening demeanor enables them to coexist peacefully with other marine life, and their herbivorous diet further exemplifies their peaceful nature. With an aura of wisdom and resilience, manatees stand as a symbol of the delicate balance between humanity and the natural world, reminding us of the importance of conservation and cherishing these wondrous creatures. Part 3. Cultural and mythological significance of the Manatee Spirit. Throughout history, the manatee has occupied a revered place in various cultures and mythologies, often associated with legends, folklore, and spiritual beliefs. Indigenous communities, particularly those along coastlines inhabited by manatees, regard them as sacred beings. These communities often link manatees to tales of creation, fertility, and protection, believing in their mystical attributes. In maritime folklore, especially among sailors, manatees have been connected to mermaid myths. Their occasional sightings at sea led to tales of bewitching sea maidens, further embedding manatees in the fabric of coastal legends. In terms of symbolism, manatees are universally celebrated for their gentle and tranquil disposition. They are seen as embodiments of peace, harmony, wisdom, and patience. Drawing from ancient civilizations, manatees were occasionally equated to deities or revered creatures. A case in point is ancient Egypt, where manatees' nurturing behavior saw them likened to the cow-headed goddess Hathor, who epitomized fertility and motherhood. In contemporary times, manatees have transcended their mythological stature to become icons of conservation. As they face threats of extinction due to human interference and habitat degradation, they symbolize the broader challenges confronting marine life. Conservation organizations frequently leverage the manatee's image to champion marine preservation, underscoring the imperative to maintain a harmonious balance between humans and the environment. Part 4. A manatee in my dreams. Dreaming of a manatee can hold symbolic significance and carry various interpretations, depending on the context and personal associations of the dreamer. Manatees are gentle and peaceful creatures, and their appearance in a dream may represent feelings of tranquility, harmony, and emotional calmness in the dreamer's waking life. Dreaming of a manatee might indicate a need for relaxation, stress relief, or a desire to find a sense of inner peace amid life's challenges. Alternatively, manatees are also associated with protection and guidance. Dreaming of a manatee could suggest that the dreamer is seeking or receiving guidance from a wise and gentle source in their life, such as a mentor, friend, or even their own inner intuition. It may signify that the dreamer is feeling supported and cared for, or it could be a reminder to seek help or advice from others during times of uncertainty. In some cultures and spiritual beliefs, manatees are seen as sacred animals connected to the natural world. Dreaming of a manatee might symbolize a deeper connection to nature, a call to be more environmentally conscious, or a reminder to cherish and protect the natural world and its inhabitants. As with all dreams, the interpretation should consider the dreamer's personal experiences, emotions, and current life circumstances. It is essential to reflect on the dream's specific details and the emotions felt during the dream to gain a more accurate understanding of its meaning. Consulting with a dream analyst or exploring personal feelings and associations with manatees can provide further insights into the dream's significance. Part 5. Habitat, behaviors, and ecological importance of the manatee. Habitat. The habitat of the manatee encompasses a diverse range of aquatic environments, each catering to the specific needs of these remarkable marine mammals. Primarily found in warm, shallow coastal waters, manatees inhabit rivers, estuaries, lagoons, and coastal bays. They are known to venture into freshwater, brackish, and saltwater habitats, displaying a remarkable adaptability to varying salinity levels. Dense vegetation, such as seagrass beds and aquatic plants, forms a crucial part of their habitat, providing an abundant food source. These gentle giants are often seen near freshwater springs, where warm waters offer a reprieve during colder months. Their habitats serve as vital sanctuaries for rest, feeding, breeding, and social interaction, and their migratory behavior reflects their seasonal movement to find optimal conditions. Despite their resilient nature, manatees face threats from human activities like boat collisions and habitat degradation, underscoring the urgency of conserving and preserving these critical aquatic ecosystems. Behaviors. Grazing. Manatees are herbivorous mammals and spend a significant portion of their time grazing on aquatic vegetation. They use their specialized upper lips to crop seagrass and other aquatic plants, consuming large quantities of vegetation daily to meet their nutritional needs. Slow swimming. Manatees are renowned for their slow-moving and leisurely swimming style. Their large, bulky bodies are not built for speed, but rather for conserving energy. Despite their slow pace, manatees are agile and can navigate through complex underwater environments with ease. Socializing. Manatees are social animals and often gather in groups, forming communities that provide them with companionship and protection. They engage in playful behaviors, such as touching and nudging one another, which helps reinforce social bonds within the group. Breaching. Occasionally, manatees exhibit a playful behavior known as breaching, where they propel themselves out of the water and then splash back in. This behavior is thought to be a form of communication, a way to express excitement, or simply a playful display. Migrating. Manatees are known for their seasonal migrations, often moving to different habitats in response to changes in water temperature. During colder months, they may travel to warm water refuges, such as natural springs or power plant outflows, to avoid the cold stress that can be harmful to their health. Ecological importance. The manatee plays a crucial ecological role in the aquatic environments it inhabits, making it a keystone species with far-reaching impacts on marine ecosystems. As herbivores, manatees serve as primary consumers, significantly influencing the structure and composition of underwater plant communities. Their voracious appetite for aquatic vegetation helps control the growth of submerged plants, preventing overgrowth and promoting biodiversity. By grazing on seagrass beds, manatees create pathways and clearings, allowing light to penetrate deeper into the water and facilitating the growth of various plant species. This, in turn, benefits other marine organisms that rely on seagrass habitats for food and shelter. Moreover, manatee feces act as natural fertilizers, enriching the surrounding waters with nutrients that support the growth of algae and other microorganisms, further contributing to the ecological health of the ecosystem. Part 6. How the manatee contributes to scientific research. The manatee, often referred to as the sea cow, provides a unique perspective in scientific research due to its evolutionary history and specialized aquatic adaptations. As one of the few marine herbivores, manatees offer insights into the digestive physiology required to process large quantities of seagrass and the implications of this diet on marine ecosystems. Their slow metabolism and large thermal inertia make them intriguing subjects for studies on thermoregulation in aquatic environments. Evolutionarily, as distant relatives of elephants, manatees assist in tracing the evolutionary pathways and adaptations of marine mammals. With their vulnerability to boat collisions, habitat degradation, and water pollution, manatees serve as sentinels for coastal ecosystem health, emphasizing the interconnections between human activities, water quality, and marine life. Part 7. Guided visualization to connect with the Manatee Spirit. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down in a relaxed position, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Allow any tension to melt away as you continue to breathe deeply and slowly. Imagine yourself standing on the shore of a calm and serene tropical beach. The sun is warm, and a gentle breeze carries the scent of the ocean. The sound of the waves soothes your mind, creating a peaceful atmosphere. As you look out over the water, you notice a group of manatees gliding gracefully through the crystal-clear waves. Their presence exudes a sense of tranquility and wisdom. With each breath, you feel a deep connection to these magnificent beings. Now, imagine yourself wading into the water, the gentle waves lapping at your feet. Step deeper into the water, feeling the coolness embrace your body as you become immersed in the ocean. The manatees approach you, their large, kind eyes meeting yours. As you gaze into their eyes, you sense a profound understanding and acceptance. You feel a warm and comforting energy emanating from their presence, enveloping you in a cocoon of love and protection. One of the manatees gently glides closer to you, and you reach out to touch its smooth gray skin. As your hand makes contact, you feel a tingling sensation, as if an invisible thread of connection has been established between you and the manatee's spirit. In this moment, you can sense the wisdom that the manatee holds, the ancient knowledge of the ocean and its mysteries. Feel the immense peace and tranquility that emanates from this gentle creature, calming your mind and soothing your soul. Now, with this profound connection established, ask the spirit of the manatee if it has any messages or insights to share with you. Listen carefully, not with your ears, but with your heart and intuition, as the wisdom of the manatee spirit speaks to you. Take a moment to absorb any messages or feelings you receive. Trust in the guidance you've received, knowing that the spirit of the manatee is always with you, offering support and comfort whenever you need it. When you are ready to conclude the visualization, express your gratitude to the manatees and their spirit for the profound connection you've experienced. Slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment, wiggling your fingers and toes, and when you feel ready, gently open your eyes. Carry the peaceful and wise energy of the manatee spirit with you throughout your day, drawing upon its guidance and serenity whenever you need to find a moment of calm and connection with the natural world.
Thanks for tuning in.
This podcast was brought to you by the About My Brain Institute. For all the freshest updates and exclusive content, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter and give us a follow on our social channels. Until next time, keep those neurons firing.